Hello, my royal cheese. This is Cheese Man the Third, and what is this? Am I playing Birds of Steel? How did you know? Yes, I'm playing Birds of Steel. It's a game about flying planes, I'm guessing. Haven't played it yet. I thought it'd be a good thing to make a video of, because I've run out of crap to make videos of. So I'll just make a video of this. You guys like it? You better like it. I'm gonna cry if you don't like it. Okay, let's go. Ah. I know how to fly a plane, sort of.
Let's get going. In order for the plane to take off, it needs to build enough speed. I'm increasing engine power to maximum. Now I can release the throttle lever. The plane will gather speed. Now that my speed is high enough, the plane will slowly lift off the ground. I can use the
Whoa.
elevation lever to make it take off faster. Now the plane is in the air. I'm waiting for it to build up enough speed so that it doesn't fall back to the runway. Then I'll retract the landing gear and flaps. Takeoff complete. My plane is now airborne.
That's simple enough. Let's do it.
Before you attempt to take off, let's review your knowledge of aircraft controls.
I have no knowledge.
The elevation rudder. It's also called the elevator. As the name suggests,
I'm going to kill you, plane. We're going to crash into the ocean at least once.
when you push the elevator down, the plane goes up. When you push the elevator up, the plane goes down.
That makes sense. The back goes up and the back goes down. That makes sense.
Control directs the ailerons. Ailerons are used to roll the plane left and right. When you use this control, it makes the aileron on one wing go up, and the one on the other wing go down.
Okay.
Try it.
Dance, 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 dance. You gotta dance, 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 dance.
Apply it carefully. See for yourself how it works.
I always thought they used that term mainly.
Now you are ready for takeoff. It's time to fly your plane up in the air.
Okay, increasing maximum and
The throttle lever regulates engine power. Position the throttle lever at full forward position.
hold up. There we go. Tower, we are increasing maximum power.
Gathering speed. Your speed and current engine power are shown as a percentage on the indicators. Watch the plane carefully while it's building speed.
Oh, oh. Gosh, I should have been a pilot. Here we go, and we're airborne.
Remember to retract the landing gear and flaps after takeoff. If the landing gear and flaps remain extended,
Whoa.
down and decreases maneuvering ability. Congratulations on your first takeoff. Trust me, when piloting planes, takeoff isn't exactly the easiest part.
I want to do a barrel roll.
Make sure you keep an eye on your altitude, especially when maneuvering the plane. You have a special altitude indicator to help you. Now for the ailerons. I've already told you that they are used to control your roll angle. You can even use them to pull off a barrel roll.
I just did a barrel roll. Stupid.
Well, I'm not asking you to do a barrel roll right now. Just roll the plane left or right.
Oh, I should have been a pilot. Look at this. There we go. I've got that perfect angle that you always see with the plane going by.
Excellent. Now for the rudder. You can use it to change the course of the plane slightly.
Pull up a bit. I am a plane. I am a bird of steel.